The sleeping giant at the center of our galaxy has officially woken up, and it is hungrier than ever. For billions of years, the supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*, was believed to be a quiet neighbor in the Milky Way. But new data suggests something shocking. It may now be consuming matter faster than ever before. Gas clouds, dust, and possibly even entire stars are spiraling into its gravity. So the question scientists are asking right now is chilling. Is our galaxy entering a violent new era in 2026? At the heart of the Milky Way lies an invisible giant, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. It contains a mass about 4 million times larger than our sun, and its gravity is so powerful that not even light can escape once it crosses the event horizon. For decades, astronomers believed this giant was mostly dormant. Compared to black holes and other galaxies, it seemed unusually calm, almost asleep, but that assumption may now be wrong. Over the last few years, astronomers started noticing something unusual near Sagittarius A star. Powerful bursts of X-ray and infrared light were suddenly appearing. These flashes suggested that hot gas was falling into the black hole more frequently. Telescopes like the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration and the European Southern Observatory began monitoring the region more closely. And what they saw surprised everyone. The black hole appeared to be feeding more aggressively than before. More than a century ago, physicist Albert Einstein introduced the revolutionary General Relativity. Instead of describing gravity as a simple force, Einstein explained it as the curvature of space and time. Massive objects bend space-time around them, and the more massive the object is, the deeper the distortion becomes. A black hole represents the most extreme version of this phenomenon. In fact, black holes are one of the strongest confirmations of Einstein's theory. When gas or dust drifts too close to a black hole, gravity begins to pull it inward. But instead of falling straight in, the material starts spiraling around the black hole. This forms a glowing ring known as an accretion disk. As the gas spins faster and faster, friction heats it to millions of degrees. This is why active black holes can shine brighter than entire galaxies. And if Sagittarius A* is now pulling in more material, that could explain the sudden burst scientists are observing. So what suddenly woke up the sleeping giant? Scientists have several theories. One possibility is that a massive gas cloud drifted too close to the black hole. Another possibility is that a nearby star was partially torn apart by tidal forces. And there's also the chance that matter has been slowly building up around the black hole for centuries, until it finally began collapsing inward. But right now, no one knows for sure. In some galaxies, supermassive black holes enter a phase called an active galactic nucleus. During this stage, the black hole devours matter so rapidly that it produces enormous jets of radiation. These jets can stretch thousands of light years across space. If something like that happened in the Milky Way, the center of our galaxy would become incredibly energetic. However, scientists say Earth is safe. We are located about 26,000 light years away from Sagittarius A star. But scientifically, it would be an extraordinary event to observe. While this might sound terrifying, for astronomers, it is actually an incredible opportunity. If Sagittarius A* is truly becoming more active, scientists can watch a supermassive black hole evolve in real time. This could help answer some of the biggest questions in astrophysics. Questions about galaxy formation, black hole growth, and even the fundamental laws of physics. The universe constantly reminds us how little we truly understand. Right now, telescopes across Earth and in space are watching the center of our galaxy, trying to understand what is happening to Sagittarius A star. Is it just a temporary burst of activity, or the beginning of a much bigger transformation? The answer could change everything we know about the evolution of galaxies. Some of the greatest mysteries in the universe are not billions of galaxies away. They are hiding right inside our own cosmic home. If you want to explore more mysteries of space and dark matter, subscribe to Dark Matter Diaries, because the universe still has many secrets left to reveal, and the next discovery might happen sooner than we think.